to Cambridge English Language Institute. This is Ansar Ahmad. In today's video, I am going to talk about the most important short and long question from class 9 biology. So now let's discuss the most important questions. From unit number first, the most important question is divisions of biology. As we know that there are 3 divisions according to class 9. Microbiology, botany and zoology. So you need to learn that 3 branches of biology. And the next one is branches of biology. It is very much important to learn about branches of biology because a single short question can occur from a branch of biology. Next one is kingdom Monera and kingdom Protista. You should study the characteristics of kingdom Monera and kingdom Protista. Next question is about the Muslim scientists. And Muslim scientists, I suggest that you should learn these 2 scientists. One is Abdul Malik and the second is Ibn al-Haytham. Next question is level of organization. The most important question is level of organization. But you need to remember a little bit, not too much, just about definitions. Next one is colonial organizations. Volvox is the most important questions. So this was all about from chapter number 1. Chapter number 2, solving a biological problem, unit number 2. You need to learn about hypothesis. That what is hypothesis? Next question is what is the cause of malaria, especially observation that you have to learn. Next one is how plasmodium is transmitted to human beings, especially AF king observation. You need to learn it. Next one is Ronald Rose. The experiment which is performed by Ronald Rose. You need to learn that too. Next one is just to know a little bit that what is theory and law. The difference between theory and law. You need to learn it. Next one is unit number 3, biodiversity. The first short question is importance of biodiversity. You need to learn it. Next one is aims of classification. Only 4 or 5 lines. You need to learn it. Next one is differences between 2 kingdom and 5 kingdom system of classification. Next question is about virus. Virus you need to learn because a question can be changed. A question can be like that, write down the status of virus, or maybe they say that write down the living and non-living characteristic of virus. You need to learn virus with the detail. Next one is we have importance of binomial nomenclature. It's important sometimes that it includes in paper. And next one is conservation of biodiversity. Unit number 4 is the most important and lengthy chapter of class 9 is cell and tissue chapter. First of all, you have to learn that comparison between light and electron microscope, especially electron microscope. Next question is endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, ribosome, chloroplast. Difference between eukaryotic and versus prokaryotic cell. Next we have differentiate between active and passive transport. Very much important. Next one is osmosis, turgor and importance of turgor. It is very much important. Next one is endocytosis and exocytosis. Plant tissue. Plant tissues are very much important, especially simple tissue and compound tissue. And compound tissue, the most important is xylem and phloem. Animal tissue, the most important is only a little bit definition. Epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue. Unit number 5, cell cycle, the most important chapter. Definition of cell cycle and what do you know about interphase. Next one is G1S phase and G2 phase. These 3, the part of interphase, one must come. I promise you that one will be the part of it. You must remember it. Significance of mitosis important. Meiosis prophase is very much important. You have to study a lot about this. Significance of meiosis and especially apoptosis and necrosis. The question can come that what is the difference between apoptosis and necrosis. Next, unit number 6, enzymes. Anabolism versus catabolism. You should know the difference between anabolism and catabolism. Characteristic of enzyme, especially intracellular and extracellular enzyme. What is the difference between intracellular and extracellular enzyme? Log NT model. Sometimes Low-Kenti model is a part of paper. Effect of temperature and pH on enzyme activity. These two are very much important, especially temperature. Next unit we have unit number 7, bioenergetics. Structure and function of ATP. ATP is the most important question. Light and dark reactions. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration, the differences. Lactic acid and alcoholic fermentation, differences. Glycolysis, electron transport change. Next, differences between respiration versus photosynthesis. Unit number 8, nutrition. Macronutrients and micronutrients. Fertilizer, mostly the importance of fertilizers. The question always try that come from this fertilizer. Malnutrition, especially protein, energy malnutrition, and Kwashiorkor disease. Next one, function of liver, very much important. Unit number 9, transport chapter. So the first question is transportation. Sorry, the first question is that transpiration. What is that transpiration? Second question is plasma. Write down 4 functions of plasma. What do you know about RBC? Red blood cells. ABO blood group system. Previous the question come from ABO blood group system. Human heart, short question. There is a possibility that short question can come out from this. Blood vessel, very much important. The difference between artery and vein. This is the most important question. Atherosclerosis, arteriosclerosis. Short question. There is a short question possibility there. Next one is that's about end of a short and important long question. If you have any kind of questions regarding to lecture, definitely you can type them in comment box. I'll be glad to answer it.